Hi, welcome to my classroom. I'm Deneen Matsuda, and I have two of my mathematicians here. I have Jordyn and Fletcher, and Bella is recording. You can't see her, but she's with us right here. We want to show you some work that we've been doing. Every week, I give my students a 10 got in your hair, Jordyn, a 10 problem assignment of review, and I'm happy to share that book with you if you're interested. But the very first problem was this. It was a big old subtraction problem that requires a lot of renaming, and I told my students, thank you for pointing to it, Fletcher, I said, I don't want you to just jump into the standard algorithm with this. I want us to figure out another strategy. And in my mind, I thought it would be me figuring out the strategy and then sharing it with my students. But that's not what happened, because the next day when I said, I'm sorry, I still haven't figured out what I want to do with this problem, Fletcher raised his hand and he said, I did. Do you remember what you said, Fletcher?
Yeah, I did. Can I share mine? And so I did.
And we'd like to share his with you and then Jordyn's as well. So Fletcher, remember to use a big, strong voice and show us what you did.
Okay. So, first thing I said is I don't like this problem, so I'm going to subtract 100 from this. And then, so that equals just plain 4,000. Oh wait, no, that's 40,000. And then I said I still don't like this problem, so I'm going to subtract 1 from it. That makes it 3,999.
I'm going to pull this 9 down just a bit for you, Fletcher. There we go.
Okay, now I got to keep the distance the same, so I got to do the same thing. Minus 100 equals 2,298. And then I got to keep keeping the distance the same.
Keep keeping the distance the same. I love that.
2,297. And then now we do the problem, and now it's much easier. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 3 minus 2 is 1. The answer is 1,702.
I love this so much. You know, to think of changing the numbers to make it more doable. And then you use that strategy over here where we take 1 from the subtrahend and diminuend. So much thinking went into this, Fletcher. And we actually, I think, applauded. Everyone got so excited they clapped. And then Jordyn raised her hand and said, I did it a different way. And I want you, so she came up and showed us, and it was so out of the box that we want you to see that too. Should we erase this? I hate to erase it. Oh, Fletcher, all your work. Okay, Jordyn, show us what you did. You want to tell them where you started?
So I started off with the problem, and it seemed a little hard. So I was thinking of how do I do it. So I did 6 minus 600 plus 602.
And why did you choose to add 602? Would you turn around and tell them why you chose to add 602? Why would you do that?
I did that so that this would be a 300.
Oh, 3,000.
3,000.
3,000, exactly. Proceed.
That would equal 4,702. And then this one would equal 3,000. And then when you minus it, it'll be a 2, a 0, a 7, and a 1.
out of the box. I mean, just incredible. Come over here, Fletcher. Now, we did have one classmate who insisted on doing the standard algorithm. And interestingly, she didn't get the right answer. She got a 6 here. She was 100 off. And we know that happens oftentimes when there's so much renaming. And so we really are enjoying experimenting with other strategies, and we hope that you enjoyed seeing this too. Can we say goodbye?
Bye.
I'm Janine Matsuda. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget
To like and subscribe.